how to log in to Aston University. So if you want to log into your Aston University account, then first open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. And I'm here with Chrome browser. Simply go for the search bar and search for Aston University. Login. Once you've searched, here you will have sign in Aston University. You can click on that search and here it will take you to the login page. So to log into your account, first you need to enter your username or your campus name or your username, like your email address that your university has provided you. So enter that. And after entering your email address, you need to enter your password on the next blank. And after entering your password and your email address, you need to click on sign in. And if your information is correct, then it will log you into your Aston University account. So that's it. That's how you log into your Aston University student account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.